Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's off. Don't skip verification. Once the breaker is off, pull back the faceplate and expose the box. Make sure you can reach all wires. Strip 3/4 of insulation and keep stranded ends neat so they fit under terminals. Label the hot, load, and neutral conductors with tape and a marker. This prevents swapping later and saves you time when you attach wires to the switch. You now make the connections. Attach the labeled hot conductor to the switch's common or brass screw and tighten firmly. Then connect the load conductor, the one heading to the light, onto the switch terminal. Verify the connection is secure so it won't arc. If the switch is a three-way, match traveler wires per markings, otherwise leave neutrals tied together in the back of the box. Finally, attach the bare or green ground to the switch ground screw and the metal box if required. You're nearly done. Tuck wires carefully back into the box, mount the switch, and reinstall the faceplate. Once done, restore power at the breaker and test the switch. Flip it a few times to confirm consistent operation. If the light fails, turn power off and recheck hot and load terminations with a voltage tester and continuity check. Make sure neutrals remain tied and no wires are loose. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.